Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and this video will talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find these links. The first link says swing like a pro, so click on the first link, come to this page, watch these setups, and then you can make this kind of money if you join this program. So go and check out these videos. Coming back here, you can go and talk to me if you want. You can book consultation, check the brokers, and join free Telegram for sure. So do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are bullish because we are above the EMA. Daily, we are in Delhi. Daily, we are still above the EMA, and 4-hour, we are below the EMA. So two time frames saying go up long. In 4-hour, we have to wait and watch. If this high is broken, we go long. If we have a bearish engulfing candle, we might go down, because right now this is your new low. Pull back and we might go down depending on the confirmation. If the EMA is rejected, then bearish candle, we go down. Otherwise, if this high breaks, that's the confirmation to go long. Okay, so if you want precise entry, exit and take profit, then check out the first link below, come to this, join the program, and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.